This is 765 O'Farrell number 23. It's a downtown lower knob tenderloin studio that features hardwood floors. And this studio has just been redone. It has an all-new kitchen and bath. You have a bay window that looks onto O'Farrell Street. You get a nice view. You get some sky when it's sunny out. And from your main room, you have a little entry area that also has the wood floor. And this entry opens up to everything. You have a walk-in closet. An all-new bath with a new tiled floor, a new toilet, a new vanity, new medicine cabinet, and the tub is nicely tiled. You get this granite shelf. There's an all-new window that they put in here too to give you ventilation. The kitchen was totally remodeled. It has the tiled floor. And they designed this to give you a nice eating area. There's black granite counters, a new gas range with broiler and hood, cherry cabinets. I have a new sink. Your sink has a nice pull-out. New refrigerator, and some more cabinetry. One of the nice features of this model or this apartment is that you have a window from your kitchen that looks over the interior courtyard, and you could open that and get a cross breeze through the apartment. So it's sort of a front to back. This is one of the best floor plans in this particular building. If you're interested in 765 O'Farrell number 23, visit www.billharkins.com. or call 415-305-5311, 415-305-5311. Thank you.